This is One Tech TV. Today we are going to learn how you can use Power ISO to create USB bootable drive. Okay, so you have to just go online and search for Power ISO and install it. I have downloaded it already, so let's get into it. Power ISO. I downloaded it from getintopc.com, so you can download it from there too. The user password. Within a short time it will download. It will download and install. It is not a big file. After the installation, you have to launch it. It will be asking for registration key. So the license file is in the zip folder. You copy the username, you paste, and you can copy each of the serial number, the one you like, you paste, you click OK. Now you just have to insert your USB drive in your USB port. Then you open the Power ISO. You go to the options bar. You go under tools. Click on the tools. Under the tools, you click create bootable USB drive. Click OK. Yes. This box will appear. Image file. In the image file, you click on the folder. Then you locate where your Windows is. Your Windows ISO file is. Mine is on the desktop, so your pen drive has been selected already. So that's all. You just click start. It will ask you all data on the drive will be overwritten. If you just want it or you want to back up, you just go back to your pen drive and back everything up. If you want to overwrite it, you just click OK. It will start doing the bootable. So have you seen 1%? It will go to up to 100%. If it gets to 100%, you are done with the USB bootable device. You can use it to install the Windows on any Windows computer except MacBooks. For those ones, their own is different. Okay, this is the first one I would like to show you. The Power ISO bootable is done. You can eject your pen drive. You can use it to install Windows on any device. As I said, any computer, any Windows computer, but not on MacBooks. The Apple laptops are different. For that one, we will use Mac OS, but not Windows. So we are done with this one.